Part 2 of that shit, nigga. You know what the fuck it is, nigga. It's Ronlowez, nigga. The boss.
Mr. Bugsy Siegel, Ronlowez, Block Hustle.
Check me out, do what we do. Come on.
I walk through the whole New York. If I'm lying, I'm lying. I guess I'm lying.
Think they gon' run it out their hood?
You know what I say? Fuck the police. Fuck.
You already know what it is. You know what I mean? Nigga on some chill shit right now. Basically, I'm going to get my shit washed. Get my shit nice and crispy right now, man. Word. Car kind of filthy right now, so you know, we gotta go through the little car wash jump off. You know, I can stay in the whip while I'm doing this shit, so this is nothing. I'm about to, you know, basically show y'all how I go down through the car wash, nigga. You know what I mean? Car wash scene, nigga. Word, nigga. Some niggas don't even know what it feel like to wash. Rather it's the car wash or the motherfucking shower or bath. But it is what it is. Like I said, nigga, y'all with me. BHG, nigga, Block Hustle G's all motherfucking day, you heard? Straight up, that's that new movement niggas need to fuck with. You know what I mean? If you ain't fucking with my movement, then you know, stay the fuck out my way. That's all I can say. You know what I mean? Now if you got love for my movement, you know, we can power, we can talk. We can talk money, we can talk anything. It's nothing, nigga. It's nothing.
Pull up, hop out, blue suit, Glock out, throw the hood up on the wall. They make our arms spread, legs spread, kick our ankles apart, rough us up, even touch on our balls. That's how it is in the hood with Babylon on the proud guard. They beat you till you half dead, they foul guard. Now we all know the hood got drugs, but the burbs do too, so go there and draw blood. If you ask me, it's a big joke. I live near the rich folks and they got the big coke. And hardly none of them is Negroes. We the ones that be locked up in the big hole.
Hey, yo. Yo.
They probably said that's a good.
God damn, this nigga stupid. Yo, man.
But you never seen a ghetto with a coke deal.
Now, I don't need none of that fancy on the road shit. I got on the road. I need you to do one thing. Say Block Hustle. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna do you one better. This is how you make money with these niggas. These niggas don't need no motherfucking money. Come here, Bobby. Hey, it's for you. Say Block Hustle. Say Block Hustle.
Yeah. Say block. Block hustle? Yeah, say
Block Hustle. Say it, say it. Say it.
Block hustle.
One more time. One more. Block Hustle. Go ahead.
Block hustle. Yeah, they
The bus ride is a rough ride. Cops talking tough and they putting on the cuffs tight. Got me thinking we had enough, right? Got me thinking that it's a rough
$1 to say Block Hustle. It costs to say shit. But it's all good, nigga. I got some footage right there. That was some funny shit right there. I had to pay the nigga to say a Block Hustle line right there. Ain't that some bullshit? This nigga crazier than 9 niggas, man. Nigga better wash my motherfucking car and keep it motherfucking smoothing before I kick a hole in this motherfucking African man. He done did me a favor, but this African man wildin'.
I'm back.
Niggas out there talking about my shit right now. Block Hustle, nigga. That's all they hollering right now. Them niggas don't even speak English, but right now them niggas hollering Block Hustle.
I am a Queens and I fuck with niggas in every barrel.
Fucking new shit right there. You heard me? That nigga know how to say Block Hustle right now, nigga. Courtesy of me, nigga. Ronlowez, nigga. Fuck you,
niggas see the truth in me. BK show love in me. Uptown fuck me. Everywhere else is lovely. I can't really complain. No coke got me on my game though. If it wasn't for the coke, man, I probably wouldn't have a
I see you, nigga.
Now niggas know my name, Ronlowez.
I see you,
Blowing
my
flames,
nigga.
standing in the fucking rain. Hopping on
Nah,
the
but what's
iron
good,
train.
nigga?
Now nigga whipping whip. Fucked over 100 chicks.
Just came
Got over
home.
100 kicks.
Free jump
Ronlowez,
one
crispy
more time.
Chris. I know you
I
heard
already
about
know
me,
what it is, nigga. My
I know
nigga
you
not
heard
guilty.
words about me,
Fuck
nigga.
Sean, what the fuck is up, my nigga? You already know what it do, nigga. With the business, be like, like, Block squad is another bitch. I ain't know. Get your mom right, nigga. Do it like this. Call 2 G's, you my nigga. All the time, my nigga. You know how we do, nigga. Straight up, all the time, my nigga. Free Blue Brother. Free Blue Devil, nigga. It's my older brother, nigga. Free all my niggas that's locked up, man. Kendall, what's good, nigga? Y'all just got the exclusive Ronlowez car wash. Hot hustle. Y'all already know what it is, man. It's motherfucking money in the bank, nigga. BHG, nigga. It's real good, nigga. It's that street love, nigga. BHG, nigga. Black hustle gunners, nigga. Black. Clean it, clean it. Clean the wheels good, man. I don't want to be slipping when I leave this motherfucker. Clean that shit real sweet. I want that shit looking like glass windows. Do the windows right here, all in the, yo. Yeah, yeah. Yo. Yo. Hey, yo. The wheels. Get the motherfucking wheels, nigga. Yo, you gotta make these motherfuckers do shit. What the fuck is wrong with these?
You don't wanna fuck with me, you don't want no problems with
me. Get the back wheels, man, you fucking flat bastard.
Oh!
BHG, you bitch.
You don't wanna fuck with me, you don't want no problems with me.
Slowly 2 shots, loaded up in the tizzy. 10 in the 5th, 16 in the glizzy.
You already know what it is, nigga.
Your favorite MC can't fuck with me. These bitch ass rap niggas don't get busy. Watch how we rap for New York City. Only you can say I'm a straight up G. Your favorite MC can't fuck with me. These bitch ass rap niggas don't get busy. Watch how we rap for New York City. Only you can say I'm a straight up G. Your favorite MC can't fuck with me. These bitch ass rap niggas don't get busy. Watch how we rap for New York City.